Don't forget, today we're having a special Claire hair store sale for Black History Month. This limited edition Barbie Black Barbie. Thank you guys so much today. We're going to be using Insta Hold. This is $5 from Amazon. And they're also going to be using the Topic hair fibers today. It's going to help me out with my hairline. That's $6 from Amazon. And then we're also going to be using Style Factor. That's another thing for Hold. And then we're also going to be using the E-Bend Styler as well. That's another one for Hold. And then the final Hold, now holding, this is going to be Got to Be Glue. So today we're doing a Black Barbie. Yes, and patience. So we're going to be doing a Black Barbie today. And Black Barbie today inspired ponytail. This should be a quick ponytail. Honestly, I really am surprised I did not run into this ponytail before, but I was really looking for a natural ponytail to, this year, like, I want to really stay away from Kanekalon. I want to stay like more like yaki texture, something that looks more similar to my hair. Right now I'm just going in with oil. That's one of my personal goals, to stay towards hairstyles that look like it could actually be my hair. I may slip up here and there. Don't do me. So it's going to be the even's going to come in first. So I already have it split in half in the back. You want to go ahead when you're making a ponytail, work from the middle to the bottom. Now, of course, you people who've been rocking with me for the last 2 years can sit there and be like, oh my God, Claire, we know how to slick our hair. I was just like, I know. I'm talking for my freshmen, okay? So we're going to go in and go ahead and slick it from there. I'm using my dimming brush. The teeth will actually go in there and actually get the combs, will actually get the hair a little bit smoother, a little bit quicker there. And I'm just going to just show you guys like how it works. And so I'm going in with my Gorilla Stunt glue. This is basically going to be after you put the E-Bend on top. This is basically to do the primary hold. Like I said, I do work out 3 times a week, as well as the fact that I do live in Florida, where you stand outside and you can burn 300 calories from how much you're sweating. So I'm going to go in with the Mama brush, and this brush is going to go in and just smooth all your strands up. Just smooth them all the way up. And that's pretty much it. I would definitely say that's pretty much the style you want to, the cadence you want to keep going with. So fast forward to that. We're going to be going in the back. You're going to go ahead and brush your spinal cord and just go all the way down and smooth everything out. This is just to show you that, like, I close the kitchen up. The kitchen's not open when I do hairstyles. You already know what time it is. But you're going to go ahead right here and just hold it in place. Now, like I said, I'm still experimenting and looking for something to help with my hair. I want my hair to stop waving at me. I'm not a rapper. Stop rapping at me. Let me stop. I'm going to go in with the Got to Be Glue. Honestly, it smells like a hair salon from 1997. So I kind of like the smell. It's very homey. It's home. It reminds me of home. Definitely comforting smell to me. But I just wanted to go in to try see if I can find a way for my hair to stop waving. I'm gonna just assume that it's just it is what it is. And I don't want to straighten my hair. I definitely don't want to apply too much heat this year. When I say too much heat, I mean none at all. For the most part. But that's pretty much it. That's how the hold is looking like. Like I said, I definitely want to try maybe next time using the spray in tangent to the dryer. So let's see, maybe that'll help or something. I'm going to say in Tatum. I'm losing my words today. Anyway, so I'm going to go in with Topic. So this is a hair fiber. It's basically for the hairline. Now, before you go ahead and judge me, judge yourself. I don't care. I have no shame in this. The front part of my hair is very fine. So even with, how as thick as my hair is growing in the front, I still lack a little help here and there. And if you think your favorite celebrity is not doing this, you're lying to yourself. So I'm just going to go in and just with the Topic fibers. So what I do is I pour it on first, and then I put the edge control on top. Now, I know that also as well, I think this would be an excellent source for women who have postpartum shedding as well, who wants, you still want to wear your hair back. You want to hide your hair behind. Because like I said, postpartum shedding is very, it's very, very common, very natural. Don't let anybody make you feel bad about that. You did a beautiful thing bringing somebody into this world. So I would say this is like, just like another option. It's not like tattoo of edges, but literally like when you have postpartum shedding, it just attacks the edges. And I know some people be like, you never gave the birth. How do you know this? I was like, I have a lot of friends who have, and I can tell you right now, this would be so great, like an extra, help, because you're already stressed about everything else, and that will also have the front of your hair thinning as well. So I think it's like a little something. And me, like I said, the front part of my hair, like it's full enough for me, but like I wanted like that Barbie look to it. So I can definitely say I have no shame in my game. If you want to judge me, make sure you subscribe as well, so you can judge me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that's pretty much it. So I'm going to go and I'm trying to attempt to, see how I was experimenting. So I went with the Got To Be glue hold. I was like, maybe if I put it in the brush, maybe it'll happen, because I wanted it to be like a more of like a firm hold, but I think this is like a lightweight hold. So I don't know if this would be more efficient for maybe people who have a relaxer, people who have blown their hair out. So I'm going to be experimenting with it before I sit there and say, okay, this was a waste of blah blah, but I really don't really see a difference. You guys can let me know in the comments if you do, but I don't really see a difference of it holding it any differently. Now this is with the front part that I'm going to go in with the topic right here, and I'm just pretty much just putting it around the edges, just going in right here and just going through and just brushing the edges right here. So if you go up right here, you'll see where like I kind of like blended into my hairstyle. Like I'm not trying to look like I painted my hairline on. It's literally just to fill in, because like I said, like I am a perfectionist, which I am working on. So it's just one of those things where it's just like I like that full look. And I know some people who might say, oh, you're too young to be doing that, you're only in your 30s, da, da, da. And I'm just like, I don't care. This is what your favorite celebrity does. Y'all playing yourself. Yeah, so as you can see the results of how my hair looks like. Yeah, don't judge me. We not in court. Yes, I used the topic and I used it again. I do it again. But I'm just pretty much going in, and that's with the whole, like I said, honestly, y'all, I don't see the difference, but I want to keep trying. I don't want to give up. I'll try it on another hairstyle before I'm just like, don't buy this. But definitely, if you have like relaxer hair, your hair's been blown out, I would definitely say it's a good investment. It's only $5. Nothing that, make chicken in two sides won't do. I'm gonna go in with the black tape here and just go over, and this is gonna help me because I go to sleep like a wild animal, so I can definitely say I need that extra protection. So this is the next day after I went to sleep, put a little makeup on. So this ponytail is from Divatress, and I'll leave the price there. It was in one, I think I got it in a 1. I think you could easily, I wanted to get a 1B, but y'all took it. But definitely for sure, it's very light. I actually like it, so I just want to show you guys the end result of using the Topic hair fibers. It's like a subtle difference, I can tell, because I'm a perfectionist, but most people be like, girl, you could have left that. But I'm just gonna go in with the combs. I like that the ponytail on this leaves a lot of room for, I like that it leaves a lot of room for your bun. I'm trying to say, I was on my Barbie. Like I felt like the only Barbie doll. Like I just have one question. Do we have a problem? I just want to know, do we have a problem? But anyways, it was so fun. I like that it's so light. The curls are literally like a barrel curl. Like it's really looks like it's my hair texture. It's so pretty. So I'm just going in right now trying to make it look realistic. I wanted to go in and get like a piece from the ponytail, but how the construction of the cap is made, it's kind of hard to like wrap it around. So I think I would have to, if I really wanted to make it look like whatever, I'd have to get some of my own loose lackey. This is some of my own ponytails to make it look real, but this is the end result. I wanted you guys to really, I did a close-up. The curls are so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like definitely old school hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share. It's Claire here.
Perfect.